Hey guys! It's been almost a year since we work from home, so we decided to share with you 5 fantastic apps that we use at ScreenRec and how to make the best out of these apps. First, let's cover Team Chat. We all know that communication is everything, and it's very important to stay on track about different projects, reach directly someone from the team, or just share awesome news with everyone. For all this, we use Slack. Great software for team communication. We have plenty of channels that discuss different aspects of the work, and of course one where we share important updates that concern the whole company, or we just post interesting things that caught our sight. Like this time when we were featured in the Best Screen Recorders in 2020 review that had over 1 million views. When we need to have a live conference, we use Zoom. This app meets our needs perfectly. Zoom has proved to be one of the best, if not the best, video chat software available for free. It is also quite powerful too. It can hold up to 100 participants without glitching or failing. So with Zoom, you can easily join a virtual meeting and use screen sharing, chatting, and document uploading. Oh, and if you want to learn more about the term Zoom fatigue and how to deal with it, check out this video for some great advice. Of course, all of these projects need a nice systematization, so a project management software is a must. We use Asana and we are more than pleased with it. Everything is organized in a different board, all tasks have an assignee, due date and subtasks, and the feeling you get when you hit the task completed button, pure satisfaction and unicorns. Asana's flexibility and vast capabilities are well worth the initial effort it takes to get started with this software, as it offers a lot of possibilities. Having all the projects assigned, we need a tool to track the time we put into doing the job, so for that we rely on Time Doctor. This remote work employee time tracking software helps you and your team get a lot more done each day. It can offer a great deal of features: time tracking, computer work session monitoring, reminders, invoicing, reporting tools, and so much more. Time Doctor supports integrations with over 35 different project management and productivity tools, making it very easy for us to capture the time spent on different tasks. And of course, we use ScreenRec on a daily basis. As one of the best free screen recording software, ScreenRec makes our everyday work much easier. For example, we don't send long emails because we simply take a screenshot or two and put a few annotations to state our case. Or we record a video and paste the instant shareable link in Asana to explain a task. And the best part is that you can watch the video as many times as you need to make sure you got everything right. So this is how we organize our remote work process here at ScreenRec. We'll be happy to hear what software you use, so feel free to share it in the comments. That's all for today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching!